When you start advertising on Google Ads, you likely have a certain business goal in mind. You may be looking to increase online sales, drive store visits to your business location, or collect valuable leads that ultimately generate a sale. It's important to measure whether clicks or engagements from your ad lead customers to take certain actions that contribute to your business goals. This is how you determine your return on investment from Google Ads and make informed decisions about ad spend. In this video, you'll learn how to set up your account's measurement tools. In Google Ads, you measure conversions. A conversion is a specific customer activity that's valuable to your business, such as an online purchase or a phone call. There are many different types of conversions that you can measure in Google Ads. Website purchases, newsletter signups, button clicks, or other actions that customers complete on your website, phone calls to your business, installs of your mobile apps and purchases within those apps, and customer activity that begins online and finishes offline, such as when a customer clicks an ad, submits a contact form online, and then later signs a contract in your office. Deciding which type of conversion to measure depends on your business goals. For your own business, consider the various customer actions that are valuable to your bottom line. For some businesses, it's valuable to track more than one conversion. For example, an online retailer may measure both shopping cart visits and online purchases in order to fully understand a customer's conversion journey. Once you decide which conversions to measure, you must add a snippet of code to your website or mobile app to track conversions. Here's how it works. When a customer clicks on your ad from Google Search, a temporary cookie is placed on their computer or mobile device. Once the predefined action is completed, the cookie is recognized and a conversion is recorded. Installing site-wide tags on every page of your website is recommended for the most accurate conversion tracking. There are 3 options for site-wide tagging. The global site tag. This is the updated Google Ads conversion tracking that should be implemented on every page of your website. Google Tag Manager, or Google Analytics. Let's walk through setting up a conversion action in Google Ads. While there are several types of conversion actions, we'll look at setting up a website conversion. In your Google Ads account, click the Tools icon and select Conversions. Click the blue plus button to create a new conversion action. Select Website to track sales and other actions on your website. Choose the category that best fits the action you'd like to track: purchase, lead, page view, sign up, or other. Name this conversion. When using conversion tracking, you can assign the same value to all conversions or let each conversion have different values. If you assign values to your conversions, you'll be able to see the total value driven by your advertising across different conversions, rather than simply the number of conversions that have happened. Select Use the same value for each conversion. If each time a conversion happens, the same value should be recorded. Select Use different values for each conversion if you want to use transaction-specific conversion values. Setting this up requires the support of a web developer. If you don't know the value of your conversions yet, select Don't use a value for each conversion. Now select how many conversions to count per click. With the Every Conversion setting, Google Ads counts every conversion that happens after an ad click. This is a good choice if every sale adds value to your business. For example, if a customer buys 2 t-shirts from an online retailer, that company will want to count those sales as 2 separate conversions. With the one conversion setting, Google Ads counts 1 conversion per ad click. This is a good choice if you're interested in generating leads, since 2 leads from the same customer will not increase value to your business. Conversion window is the maximum time you want to count conversions after an ad click. The default conversion window is 30 days. When choosing your conversion window, think about how long it takes your customers to make purchasing decisions. For each conversion action, you can decide whether or not to include its conversions in the Conversions Reporting column. You can then use this setting to control how you bid for conversions. Automated bidding strategies use the data in the conversions column to automatically set bids based on your specific business goal. This can be helpful if you want to bid for certain types of conversions, but not others. For example, an e-commerce company may bid to online sales rather than newsletter signups. An attribution model determines how much credit each click gets for your conversion. Today, the digital advertising industry has shifted away from a last click to a non-last click attribution model. Consider this. Have you ever booked a vacation in just one sitting? Think of all of the searches that occur across devices over time when researching a vacation. Using a last click attribution model, conversion credit is given to the last search ad click before booking a vacation. This ignores all previous searches and ad clicks made across multiple devices. Non-last click models attribute credit to all clicks throughout a conversion path so that you can understand your customer's full journey. There are several non-last click attribution models available within Google Ads. When available, data-driven is the recommended model, since it uses data from your account to determine which ads, keywords, and campaigns have the greatest impact on your business goals. If data-driven attribution isn't available, select one of the non-last click models: linear, time decay, or position-based. Time decay gives more credit to clicks that occur closer to the time of conversion. Linear distributes conversion credit equally across all clicks on the conversion path. Position-based gives 40% of credit to both the first and last clicked ads and corresponding keyword. The remaining 20% is spread out across the other clicks on the path. When choosing your attribution model, think about your marketing objectives. Are you trying to find growth through acquiring new customers? If so, consider the position-based model. Are you currently a market leader or new to the market? Is there low or high competition within your industry? Ensure that your non-last click attribution model best meets your business goals. Now click Create and Continue to save your conversion action. If you haven't already, set up the tag to add to your website. You can install the tag yourself, email the tag to your web developer, or use Google Tag Manager. Once your conversion tracking is set up, you're eligible for conversions to begin reporting. Let's take a look at how conversions are reported. Google Ads records a conversion on the date that a customer clicked on your ad, instead of the date the conversion occurred. The conversions column will include conversions that you selected when creating a conversion action. These are the conversions that automated bid strategies will use. The All Conversions column will include every conversion that you're tracking. Since these two columns may include different conversions, it's normal to see a discrepancy. For the first few weeks you're running Google Ads, you should focus on tracking conversions. Remember that correct measurement is the foundation of all optimization in Google Ads. Now that you know how to measure your business goals, let's investigate the speed and user experience on your mobile site.